Hello, digital product creators and Notioneers alike. This is a mini course. In this mini course, it's just gonna have like some assets for you. Like you can use Facebook groups to share your products, to get some of your first emails to start building your email list. There's also some other tools that I put in there so you know what to use. I didn't go too in depth in this course, but in this mini course, it just gives you a general idea of the tools you'll need. And this is all free resources, meaning that what I put in here, you don't necessarily have to spend money to get started selling digital products. And then also have a section of ideas of products you can start with. And of course, in there, you have to pick your niche. But other than that, this is a great course for you to get started. As far as the main course, that is coming soon. I'm still fixing and I'm working on that. But if you guys want any more, any more tips, you guys can refer to my Creator Accelerator and get that as well. But anyways, check out the template. I think you'll like it. It's something I wish I had. This is stuff that it took me forever. It took me ages to find the Facebook groups that would accept my digital products and let me repost them or post them there to potentially get some downloads. And then also the techniques like telling you to use X to DM other template creators because they may add their emails and that will build your list, that will build your network. And then they might refer your product to other people if they think it's useful. So definitely get out there, start networking, get on X, start DMing. You don't have to necessarily post. You can just DM some of these people that are in a similar boat as you, or people that you think would like your product that also makes digital products. So you can do this on Instagram as well. So yeah, I'm excited for the courses coming up. I think you're gonna like it. Anyways, enjoy.